Assalamu alaikum friends. Today my topic is about new trending technology now is CRISPR-Cas technology. The abbreviation of CRISPR is cluster regularly interspaced short palindromic repeat. CRISPR is a sequence of DNA which most bacteria and archaea are used for the protections from the virus viral DNA. It is in RNA-mediated defense systems that provide sequence-specific recognitions of viral DNA, targeting and degradations of exogenous nucleic acid. Cas9, CRISPR-associated protein 9 is an enzyme that use CRISPR sequence is a guide to recognize and degrade specific strands of DNA that are complementary to the CRISPR sequences. CRISPR sequence and Cas9 enzymes combined together make a basis of a new technology now is CRISPR-Cas9. Nowadays, this technology is very trending and make a big startup in the whole world. This technology is nowadays used for the edit genes within organisms. The edit process have so many applications that include basics biological research, development of biotechnology products, and treatment of diseases. CRISPR-Cas9 is a genome editing tool that is creating a buzz in the science world. It is a faster, cheaper, and more accurate than previous technology of editing DNA. It has a wide range of potential applications. CRISPR-Cas9 is a unique technology that enables genetics and medical research to edit parts of the genome by removing, adding, or altering the sections of the DNA sequence. It is currently the simplest, most versatile, and precious method of genetic manipulations, and it is therefore causing a buzz in the science world. که تاسو زموږ د فیسبوک او انسټاګرام پیج ته راتلل غواړئ د هغې لینک په ډسکرپشن کې دی. که دا ویډیو ستاسو خوښه شوي نو دا ویډیو ضرور لایک کړئ او کامنټ وکړئ او شیر کړئ دا ویډیو د خپل ملګرو سره او سبسکرایب کړئ زموږ د یوټیوب چینل. د دې سره به تاسو نوي شوزونه وپیژنئ او ورسره بیل آیکن هم وایئ. د دې سره به تاسو ته پته لګي چې موږ نوې ویډیو کله اپلوډ کړله. او په آخر کې د کتلو لپاره ډیره مننه.